How to enable your SSL in Squarespace. This will be the same in any version of Squarespace, even older websites, and it's an industry standard that's really easy to implement. Navigate to Settings from your main menu, and scroll down until you see the word Advanced. It should be directly underneath the word Blogging. Click on Advanced, and from here, you'll see SSL. Selecting SSL, you can select Secure Preferred. You can also enable HSTS if you'd like to by clicking that option right there. Select Save, and you'll be good to go. To learn more about all the cool things you can do with Squarespace, head on over to insidethesquare.co. There you'll find hundreds of free tutorials just like this one. That's insidethesquare.co.